Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So into this video I have compiled gorgeous style for my brown skin ladies. So now let's look at what I got. This style is also beautiful. Wants to look like the bantu knot and the back having that synthetic coils. Most times they don't braid the back. So this lady is trying to do the stitches cornrow, the jumbo stitches cornrow. You can see what she has on one of her finger. So that's that pin there helps her to kind of like give that stitches look. So if you don't have a long nails, because not everybody have long nails, you should opt for that. It's available on AliExpress, Amazon, even eBay. You see there. This is another beautiful color. This cornrow with beads wants to look like the finale hairstyle. Okay, so this is another way you can do the twist, Senegalese style. Most people, they don't need to like start it that way. Most people just like what they do in Africa, Nigeria precisely. You don't need the crochet to like using the rubber band. No, you just pick the roots and twist. But I think this style is mainly common, this pattern is mainly common in the US. You can see she's trying to teach you how to twist. Not everyone know how to twist, how to do the Senegalese style. So basically this is for beginners, but professional stylists, they usually don't use that rubber band. They just go ahead, cut and straight up twist it. Came out nice. Looks beautiful. Okay guys, let me not talk too much. Let's watch this video till the end. Remember, this video is for educational purpose, to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. Let's watch this video. It's not ending now. Let's keep